Hello, I'm David Wallowidnick, here at BCLIQUOR. Who doesn't love a nice cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day? I do. I want to show you how to make a beautiful Canadian lemonade focusing on 40 Creek Canadian whiskey, the Barrel Select. Little maple, little lemon, and a splash of water. That's it. 1, 2, 3 ingredients. Let's show you how to make one. We're going to start off by taking our shaker, and to that, adding 1.5 ounces of this beautiful 40 Creek Barrel Select. 1.5 ounces is 45 mils. Then, let's take a little bit of maple. 1 ounce of that. We usually like to do just a little bit shy of 1 ounce. 30 mils. And the same amount of the lemon. Now, you can adjust the sweet and the tart according to your personal liking. Don't feel like you have to strictly follow this exact recipe. This is merely a guideline. So I'm adding a tiny bit more lemon, a little bit less maple. But the equal parts thing will be a great spot for you to start with, and you can adjust it to your own liking from there. Then let's add a water component. 3 ounces, that's 2, and that's 3. Now, all we're going to have to do is add a little bit of ice and shake. So let's add ice both to the mixing glass and to the shaker. While we're doing that, let's get that ice into this glass as well. Because once we shake it, we can pour it right in here, garnish it, and we're done. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's take that. Put that away, clean our station. It's always nice to kind of clean your bench. And let's shake it up. Now you could even shake it and dump the entire contents right in the glass if you like. And I wanted to show you another method of doing this as well. If you want to hold back the little tiny ice shards, fine strain it right in, just like that. Look at that. Exactly the amount that we want. Let's slice off a little lemon as a garnish. And we're going to garnish it with a thyme sprig. Thyme and lemon go super well together. In fact, you can even find lemon thyme growing in some gardens. Get that lemon wheel right down inside there. Let's take a thyme sprig. Gently put that back inside. Looks like you might need a little bit of help to kind of get down into the glass. There we go. And that, my friends, is the Canadian lemonade. I'm David, here at BCLIQUOR. Try this recipe and many more. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.